Magandang hapon po ng August 24, 2023 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng August 24, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, August 24, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 24, 2023, Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for August 24, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for August 24, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.